Hey, what's going on? Sivy here. So as you may know, the Yoshimura Alpha T comes with a baffle that you can install to make it a little quieter. I've actually been running without it since I got the slip-on, but decided recently to put it in because I leave for work early in the morning and don't want to wake up my neighbors. So the cool thing about the slip-on and the baffle is that it's pretty easy to install. It's in there right now, you can see it here. There's just a rubber piece here that you would pull out, and if you're careful you can slip your tool in here and undo it while the slip-on is installed, but the slip-on is so easy to pull off and on that you might just go that route. You would just undo this bolt here and this here. But anyway, since it's already installed, I'm not going to show you how to do that. It just fits snugly in there. You just push it in, make sure it's lined up with the hole, and throw a bolt in there, tighten it down hand tight, and it's good to go. So I'll just throw a couple clips together, show you how it sounds with and without the baffle, see how it compares. So I thought I already had a clip without the baffle, but I couldn't find it, so I had to take it out to get a clip anyway. So I'll just show you what it looks like. Here's where the hole has to line up. Here's the little bolt that you use, and just make sure it's pretty tight because I just noticed that mine was loose. So this will be with the baffle. Hold start. So here's without. So quite a big difference actually. So in my opinion it sounds better without the baffle, but you still get the same noises, it's just much quieter. And as I said, it's so easy to pull in and out that you don't have to stick with it one way or the other. So as I mentioned, it's kind of a tight fit. You just have to kind of stuff it in there, spin it to get the holes lined up. And I like to have something, this was on hand, just to help make sure the holes are lined up. So there we go. It lined up. Kind of hard to do this on camera and be as careful as I can. But if you're careful, you can install it while it's on. So there we go. It's always kind of sketchy, but if you're careful, you can do it. And so that's it. That's in. That's how easy it is. And then just make sure you put the rubber grommet back in. And that's it. Just reverse it for taking it out. Again, just try to have steady hands or just take the slip-on off. It's not a big deal. I've dropped the bolt into the slip-on outer kind of shell, so I had to take it off anyway, but it's so easy that it's not a big deal. Anyway, thanks for watching.